Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Witcher 3, how to fight multiple enemies. Well, in the Witcher 3, how you can fight a multiple enemies, what I usually do is use my whirl attack like this. It helps me attack all the enemies around me. There we go. And the other thing I do is use my bombs. For example, I'm gonna use a northern enhanced wind. So right here, it turned to frozen. There we go. Watch. There we go. I can easily kill them. There we go. And the other thing I do is I use my signs. I use art for a large amount of enemies. There we go. There we go. Oops. There we go. Oopsie. Oh. Or this one. Yep. There we go. There you go. This one too. There, that's. Yeah. How I fight a large amount of enemies, and there we go. Yeah. So that's how you fight a large amount of enemies. Remember to use your skills, signs, and bombs. If you want, you can use your crossbow, but right here I don't need to use my crossbow. Only one enemy left, so I'm gonna use. Oops! I'm gonna use my Ren and oopsie. Wait, last enemy left. Come on. Oh, there we go. And there you go. That's how you fight multiple enemies.
Is it just me, or did
So
we
thank you
agree to
guys.
wait for my
I hope you
signal?
liked the video.
That was the
Thank you.
plan.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.